Guys, we're in the kitchen and we're talking today about the George Foreman grill, one of my personal favourite gadgets. I've had them for years. I've had different variations over the years, like the one with the bun warmer on top, and I've had the smaller version, but this is the mid-size one. And the reason why I like this one is the size of it is perfect for 2 to 3, maybe even 4 people, depending on what you're cooking. But also the fact that this one is a model that comes apart, so you can remove the plates to put them for the dishwasher or to wash. You haven't got to keep them in the unit to wash as part of the entire unit, because you've got to be concerned obviously about your electrics. So this one here is, this one is well used, we're well loved. We've got the air fryer, which we love, but there's some things the air fryer cannot do, which is give it those fabulous grill marks, which gives that that umami. So this is the one where it has the hinge lid, so you can take different thicknesses of meat or veggies, so it does rise up. So if you've got a particularly chubby steak, for example, or you've got some veggies that are odd sizes, it will rise. It's got that hinge, and you pop your product in there, you turn it on. There is no temperature gauge, it just does the crispy thing, I've never had any problems with it. You can keep an eye on it, but generally, for example, like a steak would be about 5 or 6 minutes, and you get those beautiful marks. You can rotate it to get the crisscrosses, and it is non-stick. And then underneath, if you have something you want to get rid of some of the fat, I mean, it is a healthy way to cook products. There is a drip tray underneath which will catch any drips, any sauce juices or any fat, and that comes out under there and can be washed separately. And obviously you've got your plug. For whichever country you're in, you'll get your plug. And yeah, it's just really nice, it's discreet, it sits there, I put them on top of my microwave. It's a really fab little device, particularly if you haven't got you're not a particularly confident cook, but you still want that beautiful food. This is a really great little investment in my opinion. I consider myself quite a decent cook. I still love it for a good old steak, a nice chicken thigh that you've butterfly taken the bone out of, crisp up some nice Mediterranean veggies. It's really fab. So if you've not already got one, get one, try it, you'll love it. It's really, really nice, gives it a really nice flavour, really convenient and really easy to clean. Really recommend.